Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup haul. As you've seen from the title, I am doing a makeup haul and I'm excited. These things excite me so much. If you've watched my previous ones, you know I'm excited, so excited. So yeah, today this makeup is not from Uganda. I got it from Kenya. As from the title still, I got this makeup from Kenya. So last December I came to Kenya for a family gathering and I couldn't pass up the opportunity to buy makeup from here because you know it's a bit cheaper. Yeah, it's a bit cheaper, so I couldn't pass up the opportunity. So I got a few things and I got some things I had never tried before and I'm happy that I did, and I'm going to show you everything I got. I have grouped everything under the shop where I got it from. These shops are all on Instagram and they reply to messages. I got it from 3 different shops. That is Ken's Pharmacy, where I got the majority of the makeup because they have the best prices. Then I got some from Makeupplugke and I got another product from Vitapharm. So yeah, I'm going to show you each and everything but grouped under the shop. So let's start with Ken's Pharmacy. First, let me talk about this Remo. I don't know if my camera is picking up anything, but if not, I'm going to put the product on the screen so you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I got this Remo Stay Matte mattifying primer. This is a primer for oily skin. So if you have a client or if you have oily skin, this is really good. I'm going to state the prices, Kenyan prices, then the Ugandan price, and the rate I'm going to be using is 1 Kenyan shillings to 30 Ugandan shillings. So I got this Remo Stay Matte primer at 1250 Kenyan shillings, which is 38 Ugandan shillings. The next product I got are these concealers, and we all know illegal concealers are really good. 400 Kenyan shillings, which is 12,000 Ugandan shillings. I bought and I had never tried it before ever are these foundations. They are called LA Colors Truly Matte, and they do not lie. These foundations are truly matte. Like if you have a dry skin, you have to put a lot of moisture on your skin for you to use these things. They are truly matte and they are really good. So if you're oily, these things are really good, and each costs 650 Kenyan shillings, which is 20,000 Ugandan shillings. The other thing I bought is this foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I got it in the color Truffle. This foundation is a staple in my kit. I started my career with this foundation and I love it. It stays on the skin, it doesn't move. This is a really good foundation. It costs 1650 Kenyan shillings, which is 50,000 Ugandan shillings. The other product I got is this W7 Lash Tastic mascara. I've used this brand before. I've used products from the brand before. I've used their lash glue and I've used their bullet lipsticks, the matte ones. They are good. They are really good. So when I saw this, I'm like, let me try it out, and it's really good. This mascara is really good. It's black, truly black, and it's amazing. It makes the lashes fluffy. It's really good. So I got this at 550 Kenyan shillings, which is 17,000 Ugandan shillings. So that's it from Ken's Pharmacy. Now let's go to Makeupplugke. So for Makeupplugke, I got 2 products from there, and the first one is this NYX eyeshadow base, yeah, and it's in the color white. I love it, but it took me a while to get to use it. I had always used concealers for the base, and this was a little bit getting used to the texture of it, and all that was a bit different. So when I got used to using it, I fell in love so much. It makes the colors of the shadows pop, like really pop. I like it, and this goes for 1100 Kenyan shillings, which is 33,000 Ugandan shillings. The other thing I got from Makeupplugke is this translucent powder. This is called the Coty Air Spando's Face Powder, and I got it in the color translucent. I love this powder. Back in the day, around 2018, 2019, this thing, like, people rediscovered it because it's been around for years, but people rediscovered it and it was being talked about by everyone and anyone in the industry, and I wanted to try it for myself so much, and I got the chance to, and I love it. I have used it today, like under my eyes and all over my face, and I love it. It has no flashback at all, which is so amazing. So I got this at 1,300 Kenyan shillings, which is 40,000 Ugandan shillings. That's it for Makeupplugke. So I got one product from Vitapharm, and that is this fixing spray. This is a matte fixing spray, and it's from Maybelline. It's called the Maybelline Lasting Fix, and it is matte. The one problem with it has an alcoholic scent to it, but if you can go past that, it's really a beautiful setting spray. It's matte, so it keeps the makeup matte and all that. It's really beautiful, that's the truth. I got this at 1,400 Kenyan shillings, which is 42,000 Ugandan shillings, and I love it. So I got two other products from I'm going to call it the version of Gazal and Grand Corner in Garaya in Kenya, which is Du Bois Road or River Road, if you know. It's the downtown of makeup where Chinese products are sold. So I went there to look at brushes, sponges, and all that, and I found something. I found these clips. These are called crocodile clips, and I had been looking for them in Uganda. I couldn't find them. So when I found them, I was so excited. And these things come in a set of 6. So these are 6 crocodile clips, and they go for 250 Kenyan shillings, which is 7,500 Ugandan shillings. So I got 6 of them at 7,500 Ugandan shillings, and I don't regret this purchase because you see, I am a natural hair girl, and I am a natural hair bridal stylist. So I love these things so much. I fell in love, and I'm still in love. Another thing I got is this nice and lovely styling gel. I got it from Du Bois, and I had seen so many Kenyan YouTubers, Instagram, Kenyan people talking about this, and I wanted to try it. I liked it, I love it, everything. It's the one I've used on my edges today. So this was costing 120 shillings, and it is the smallest tin, and that is 3,600 Ugandan shillings. So this baby brings us to the end of this haul. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Please subscribe, like, share, and let's grow this channel. I'm going to be more consistent this year. I promise I'm going to be more consistent this year. So I'm going to get a schedule down, then I'll be letting you know on the days when I'll be posting and what I'll be posting on those days. So look out for that in my next video. I just want to say thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for the old ones. And thank you so much for having stumbled on this video and watched it to the end. Let's meet again in my next one, and bye-bye.